When it comes to roofing, there are a lot of considerations that need to be made. One of the biggest decisions is whether or not to hire professional roofers. There are a few things that you need to take into account before making this decision. The first thing you need to consider is the cost. Roofing can be a very expensive project, so you need to make sure that you can afford to hire professionals. If you have a tight budget, then you may want to consider doing the work yourself or finding someone who can do it for less money. However, it is not advisable because of the risk associated with roof installation or roof repair. Another thing you need to consider is the complexity of the project. If you have a very complex roof, then it may be best to hire professionals. This is because they will have the experience and knowledge necessary to get the job done right. If you are looking for roofing experts who can work on your construction project, you can count on Meridian Roofing Contractor. Aside from roof inspection services, we can also work with installation, repair, maintenance, and replacement. We have a number of services at an affordable price. Contact us for your estimate. We also serve Nampa and Treasure Valley.